Cherishing the moments you experience only once just by sitting still and feeling. The harmonic motion of a carpenter's hand carving the wood. The luminescence of metal shining on a foggy day. The special moments made meaningful by you and with you. The sense of belonging created by the texture and the touch. The sculptural stance where design meets craftsmanship. The nostalgia which is powerful enough to create a focal point, a sophisticated elegance. As soulful as a family heritage. Completely unique with its existential imperfections. The signature artwork of your lifestyle.